friends, today I am unboxing the BBQ Nation meal box. Are you excited? I am also very excited because this is my first time to reveal the secret of BBQ Nation home delivery box. It is a non-veg meal box. It serves for one person. It costs rupees 799. Let's check it out. Come, see with me. Oh, what happens? You can see the green chutney, all are spilled. My God, I can't taste it right now. They are so tasty, you know, but the red chutney is intact. Thank God. These are the sweet dessert boxes. This one is moong dal ki halwa. See what happened. This one is kheer and this one is chote gulab jamun. These are very tasty. The first layer of the box is for the dessert. I don't like their delivery system. I think these are the main course boxes. These are they are paper containers, 5 in number. They are hot enough, and I hope these are the starter boxes. Those who are the regular customer of BBQ Nation, they already know that they first serve the starters, after that the meal, and last but not the least the desserts. See what happens. Now I am counting all the boxes. They are 12 in numbers and this one is wasted. I have ordered non-veg meal box, so these are the non-veg meal course: mutton rogan josh, chicken biryani and chicken razala. These one are the starter boxes. White color, it is raita. These are the prawns, all are grilled and they smell so good, and I hope they taste also good. These are the desserts along with the butter naan. After the meal, I am super happy for the tastes. Thank you.